Hello guys, I hope you are doing fine right now. If you are watching this video, it certainly means that you are looking for great books on work ethics. You know, as an online entrepreneur or in any situation of your life, of your profession, your school, whatever it is, you want to develop an amazing and outstanding work ethics in order for you to achieve more. So the video of today is about to share with you the best books I've found on the work ethics, how you can improve your work ethics or build your work ethics to these books. So the video today is going to be a very short video, but I hope that what you're going to get from this video is going to change your life consistently and for a great time. So the first book I want to share with you is called Relentless. It's called Relentless. I will put some pictures. You see that it's called Relentless, and Relentless is a book that teach you how to really be unstoppable, how to not let your emotions makes you weak. You know, a lot of people fall in this kind of trap. It also shows you how you can adapt or adjust yourself according to any situation you can be facing. So these books I think it's just great because it really helps you how to develop this type of work ethics that you need. And yeah, I highly suggest you this book. So the next one I want to share with you is called Deep Work. So you know, this books is amazing because it takes what we know distraction. It talks about distraction, but it shows us the opposite benefit of distraction. So in our world, we have distraction almost everywhere, on social media, TV, at home, whatever we are, we have distraction. But in this book, you're gonna learn how you can use the opposite power of distraction in order for you to achieve more of your goals. So these books also I really highly recommend it to you. And the next book I want to share with you is called So Good That They Can't Ignore You. This book is also a great book because it reveals you many reasons why you should not or you must not rely on your passion. Because a lot of people say, if I'm not passionate about anything, I'm not gonna do it. Of course, there's a truth on this subject, but in this book you're gonna learn that you really need to work hard first and be passionate secondly. So this book is a really gonna challenge you. It's gonna teach you a lot of great lessons on hard work and also on passion, why you should not rely on passion first but on hard work. So the last book I want to share with you is called The Tame Times Rule from Grant Cardone. In fact, this is my favorite of those books because you know the way he takes or he presents things in these books will lead you to take massive action. This is the purpose of this book. Learn the power of effort. You're gonna learn from this book how to take more action to achieve more. For example, if you want to get an income, a monthly income of 10,000, is gonna challenge you to multiply this amount by 10. So instead of being at 10,000, you will take a lot of action in order for you to be at 100,000. So, you know, this book is just amazing. It's really challenging, and I recommend you to read it over and over. And I think that you're gonna get a real insight and start to see yourself, your work ethics start to improve. So guys, this is the 4 books I really want to share with you. I hope that after reading it, or if you also have many other books, please put it in comment and maybe I will make a video on those books. So yeah guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I tell you bye bye. This was Seal for Tremendous Generation, and as you know, I will say one word guys: take care.